Hi everybody, here is Saima from Merozkhan Blogger, and I am with you with third video of our Fiverr lecture series, Fiverr Secrets Unlocking Ultimate Guide for Beginners. So in this video we will see the topics like how to set up gig packages and set up gig description, gallery and other things. So for gig packages, I would recommend you to switch on 3 packages button. Fiverr also recommends you to introduce 3 packages of your services so the client feels free to choose the best suitable package. Here you can also give a discount if you want to attract a buyer to buy more details. When you will move to the scope and pricing page, you will see this button will be off and you will see only one package by default. So you have to on these 3 packages, and here you can set your package's name, uh, write good description for your package, set delivery time, number of revisions and prices will be mentioned in gig packages. Make sure your packages are attractive and people would love to buy your premium package instead of basic. To do that, we can increase the quantity of service or provide something extra related to our service. Description is the most important thing and it is sometimes called the heart of gig. Here you need to give an accurate description of your services. You have to write about service in precise details because when the buyer reaches on your gig, he will read the description. If your description is professional and attractive, he will be most likely to place an order. Remember, write the important points. Don't talk about other things which have nothing to do with your service. Don't forget, make gig description clear and detailed. Use bold, underline, and highlighting options correctly in your gig description. Delivery time should be less if you have a new gig. Write a bonus offer in the description as it can attract a buyer to buy your gig. For example, if you are providing logo design services, you can provide mockup for that particular logo as a bonus in your gig description. You can use some URL in the description as well and can show your sample work that is called portfolio. Here is a list of some URLs which are allowed on Fiverr that you can use in the description like blogspot.com, Dailymotion, Flickr, SoundCloud, Teamwear, Tumblr, Vimeo, Wikipedia and YouTube.com. Here are top 5 mistakes people do in description. People mostly copy the description of other gigs. Don't write things that you don't know. Write the advantage of your services which the client can get after placing an order. So when you will write advantage of your services, client will get aware of your gig when description and your packages details. Also, it is most important thing that is called frequently asked questions and buyer requirements. You can use facts by the typing all questions and their answer which you think will help the buyers. Most people ask questions before placing an order because they have doubts regarding your service. For example, if you are selling a WordPress website designing service, people will ask questions like, will it be responsive website? So there are many repetitive questions that people ask. To avoid such a problem and save your client's time, you need to use this FAQ option by writing questions and their answer as well. Remember, a lot of buyers don't have time to send you an inbox message and ask all questions, so it is an excellent way to clear their minds about your service. Buyer requirement section is used to ask the buyer about all the requirements you need to complete his order. Suppose you are a writer, you need keywords, topic and details about the article from the buyer. In detail, we will see these things in practical when we will create our gig. Here is Fiverr Gallery section, also part of gig. So the last step to create a gig is gallery. You need to create an attractive picture of your service and upload it here. Make sure the image should be attractive, contain 25% of text. Your punch word should be there and the punch word that you have used in your gig title should be represented on your gig gallery image. Don't write more than 7 words on the image. You can also upload a video or PDF file about your service to attract a buyer. On video is the most important factor of gig ranking. Remember, this is the most important thing to get the order because when a buyer searches for some services, the first thing he will only see is the title and picture of all the services. So if your gig has an attractive title and picture, we have 99% chances of attracting buyers to click on our gig and read about description and all other things. Congratulations, you have successfully created a gig, and that is also called service. Now you are ready to start getting orders. So this was all about how to set gig packages, gig description, FAQs, and what buyer will need from your site. Thank you. In our next video, we will cover more things for Fiverr Secrets Unlocking lecture series. Thank you.